wondering why I disconnected the battery, it's because I don't want the airbag going off. Now I've just got to figure out how to get this wheel off. So, I've got one Allen bolt in there. One Torx bit in there. And that should drop the airbag out. Taken off. I'm going to use a GoPro for a minute because my phone's being used for music, so yeah. Got the airbag off. I need to try and get the old wheel off now. This little cunt really took my hand off. Got it off. Time to put the new wheel on. Just to put the bolts back in the wheel now. My hair is a mess. Ah, it looks good. It looks very good indeed. Got a bit of J. Cole in the background. So I think we need to add bonnet release catch to the list of stuff to buy because I can't be asked taking off the fucking interior trim just to get to the bonnet release. Oh, I already have it on there. I made this list so long ago. So if anyone would like to buy either a leather stripped Honda Civic EP2, no, that's an EP2. That's not an EP2 wheel, that's like a, I don't know which one that's off. That was said it was an EP2 wheel, but it's not, which I ended up buying, and it was wrong. That's the one I just brought off the car. It's got no leather on it, so if you want it, just fucking tell me, can it. Also, if you want the EP2 door cards, got them for sale, because I've now got P.S I door cards. They're very nice. Well, I hope you enjoyed this shitpost Saturday, where I didn't really do a right lot. I just kind of broke my bike and then changed my steering wheel. So, yeah, look forward to the next one.